Hello everybody. Today we have a broken 4G modem. Let's find out what kind of problems have. First of all, we must open it and check out all components of the motherboard. After checking it, we have confirmed that all components in this motherboard are good and undamaged. Only one component has been removed from the card. This component called the chip reader or the chip connector. He is a very important component. We must install easily, and the device will work normally. Okay friends, if you have any question or any problem, we must contact us over email, phone or Facebook.